Hello everyone, my name is Bhumika Kuldeep from class 6. I can read the chapter number 1. The chapter's name A Tale of Two Birds. There once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. They had a nest in a tall shady tree, and there the mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. One day there was a big storm. There was thunder, lightning, and rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall tree in which the bird lived also came down. A big, heavy branch hit the nest and killed the bird. Fortunately for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other landed outside a rishi's ashram a little distance away. Days passed and the baby birds became big birds. One day the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. Soon the king lost his way and didn't know where he was. He rode on for a long time till he came to other side of the forest. Very tired by now, he got off his horse and sat down under a tree, stood near a cave. Suddenly he heard a voice cry out, "Quick, hurry up, there's someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry or else he'll slip away." The king was amazed. He looked up and saw a big brown bird on the tree under which he was sitting. He also heard faint noises issuing from the cave. He quickly got on to his horse and rode away as fast as he could. Soon he came to a clearing which looked like as an ashram. It was in Rishi's ashram. The king tied his horse to a tree and sat down in shade. Suddenly he heard a gentle voice announce, "Welcome to the ashram, sir. Please go inside the rest and Rishis will be back soon. There's some cold water the pot. Please make yourself comfortable." The king looked up and saw a big brown bird in a tree. He was amazed. "This is one looks like a other bird outside the cave," he said to himself loudly. "You are right, sir," answered the bird. "He is my brother, but he has made friends with robbers. He now talks as they do. He doesn't talk to me anymore." Just then the rishis entered the ashram. Welcome, sir," he said to the king. "Please come inside. Make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while, then you can share my food." The king told the rishis the story of the two birds and how each had behaved so differently, though they looked so alike. The forest is full of surprises. He had the holy man smiled and said, "After all, one is known by the company and one keeps." That bird he always heard the talks of robbers. He imitates them. The talks about robbing people. This one has repeated what he was always heard. He welcomed people to the ashram. "Now come inside and rest. I'll tell you more about the place and these birds."